my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Nuggets, we share with you the best way to harvest your bok choy for continuous harvest. So here's a clip from the show. All right, we're here in the bok choy, and we got some beautiful leaves. And the way I want to harvest that is just to snap off the leaves as they're going around the plant. And I want to protect this crown here so that it can grow more leaves for us. And you can pick with a long stem like this, or you can pick with a short stem like this. So either way is fine. If you do a long stem, you get more like crunchies in your stir fry, which I tend to like. So we can get some long stems here. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 7. If you'd like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into 1 pint jar. This show is a demonstration of the type of garden you can grow with a high-performance garden education. So if you are tired of blisters, backache, sweat, and tears, and you want your garden to be easy, fun, productive, and organic, then this is the garden education for you. The show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. There are 7 seasons, that's over 230 episodes to watch. I have people who binge watch the show and say it's better than those popular streaming channels. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the High Performance Garden Nuggets. Oh, and by the way, your friends might want to have an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden too, so please share the show with them. They will be thanking you later. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.